That just happens. It did, it just happened. Hey guys, so I was going to do a haul with you guys. So I was going to take you along with me to shop, but it just didn't happen. I had a little anxiety before I went into IKEA, so all of my plans to record as we went into the store completely fell by the wayside. So that's life sometimes, and I'll definitely my struggles with anxiety, postpartum anxiety, and postpartum depression another time. But I just wanted to let you know that is why I did not film the actually in the store, because that is what happens. So I know some out there can definitely relate, so you'll get to see what we got instead. So for IKEA, we actually went there to buy a dresser for my boys, and the one that we wanted they did not have in stock, and they didn't know when it was coming. It was supposed to be that week coming up, and I said, well, can you just ship it to me? And they said no. So we had to make do, and we ended up getting a white dresser, which I will show you. We actually already put it together, so you'll see it in the boys' room. I'm also going to do a boys' room reveal, and I'll be doing that I'll probably be posting that next Friday. So stay tuned for that. That'll be my shared boys' room. So here are the other goodies I got at IKEA. So while I was there, I got this separately. I loved the wicker basket. I just love the texture and the feel. I think it is so beautiful. And then I bought this fern as well. It's a plastic fern. And I love how broad it is up here, and I thought it looked so cute like this. I will show you a picture of how I actually have it styled on my entry table. Or I'll probably put that picture up here, or up here. I also got another one of these. I just love IKEA's plants, honestly. I think they are so cute, and they're the most affordable. I've gone to Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls, and by far my favorite place is IKEA. So, and I like that I can change this out. If I don't want to see this in here anymore, boom, lovely. I love that. Another thing I got was this here, this little glass container, which that also, I know we see a lot of that in farmhouse style. I love that it's all interchangeable, but I also love that I got this orchid, and orchids from IKEA are by far my favorite. I love orchids, always have. They always die, and then they go through a really funky, ugly stage, and until they come back. So I like to get the fake orchids, and these have the most wonderful, soft flowers here. They look so real. This one is probably just 12 inches tall. It doesn't say. Yeah, something like that. And I put it in here. I will show you how I style this in my office. I also got a larger glass. So let me show you the comparison. That just happens. It did, it just happened. So here's the original glass that you probably see a lot. Here's the nut. See the size? This could fit right in there. But I actually got this for this, and I thought that looked so good. But when I got home, I realized that it was going to fit my other orchid from IKEA. I actually got this a little while ago, but I wanted to show it to you for the purpose of this video. This is a small one, large one. The buds on here are absolutely to die for. They're beautiful, they're soft. When I tell people it's not real, they're shocked. This one here is 16 inches tall. This one is 12, this one is 16, and when I got home I realized it fit into this one perfectly. And I'll show you how I style this in my living room, actually on my bar. But these flowers are just lovely. I love natural wood tones, and this magenta really pulls that out. And I love it. I love farmhouse. I think we all do. But I also love color. I'm really into pops of color. So when you have like natural antique woods, you want to add things like this because it brings out those natural redness, the natural red tones in the wood. It's really complimentary. Really good. So I will show you the other things that I got from IKEA in the boys' room. Okay, here is the IKEA shelf, the Billy bookshelf. It's the lower model that my husband built and we put in our son's room. So one side over here is for my son, and this is my son's other side. It is solid wood, so it is not particle board, which really was a home run for me. So I really love it. Now let's switch to Marshall's. I got my son some Nike shoes. He's got a band concert, and I thought these were kind of cool for church too. They were $26 on clearance. I thought they were pretty cool. Yeah. He doesn't know I've had them on yet. Then I got this Adidas hat, which I love. One of my favorite YouTubers ever, and I'm going to put her name here, Brittany Bourne Lynch. I love her. She is so sweet, down to earth, and relatable. She talks about her kids and her life. They have a blended family. And she was one of the first YouTubers that really inspired me to start my channel, among others. Really sweet girl, so I really want you to check her out. But I've been looking for a good hat. I have a monogram hat, it's super cute, but I wanted something a little different. So I went into Marshall's and I saw this, kind of similar to what she wears, and honestly, everything looks good on her. But I tried it out and I got a men's because I have so many boys in this house and I am very frugal. And if I can get it away with buying a men's hat and I can wear it, and then I can also let my kids, my boys wear it, or my husband wear it, then I'm sorry. It's a win-win. It was the same price. This was at Marshall's for $9.99. I tightened up the back and I absolutely love it. It is very complimentary. I wasn't sure how I looked in hats personally, but you know, we all have days where our hair looks like this. Lifesaver. And I got this again in the men's section, and it tightens up nicely. There's no funny bulge in the back. $9.99 at Marshall's. And then another thing I got at Marshall's were these shoes. I needed some cute sandals. I live in Florida, and sandals are a must, and mine just snapped on me. So I went and got these. These are Carlos Santana. Got a little shine right here. These were $19.99. I wear an 8. And I really, really like these. I think these are going to be really, really cute for this summer to kind of dress up my shorts a little bit, maybe a maxi skirt. I was really excited about that. I also got, I'm looking for it, a dog toy, which is a muted. I got a dog toy for my Ruby, which is a moose dressed up in a cheetah outfit. Let me get that for you. I got this for Ruby. I think it's the most ridiculous and adorable thing I've ever seen. I can't help but to buy her things. Inside of it's like a huge, she's really interested. It's like a bumpy little ball on the inside. You can even see like just little things in here. It's so cute. Come here, girl. Get it, girl, get it. Get it, girl. My girl. And then I got another thing from my daughter.
I don't know where the camera is.
It's right here. I can edit you out. I got a supersonic face scrubber, deep pore cleanser thing from her. She already took it out of the box. And it vibrates. It's from Sharper Image. It's rose gold. It comes with its own little caddy here, which I thought was super adorable. I'm not going to touch this because she's super paranoid about germs, but I thought this would be really good for her skin. My mom has something similar, like a Clarisonic, and I really love the way it makes my skin feel, so I got her one. Kind of love it. The bristles are so fine. They're so fun. Okay, I won't tell her I'm touching it. It feels like a sponge, but they're not. They're bristles. This was $9.90. No, this was $12.99 at Marshall's. They had a whole bunch of them, so you guys really need to go scoop those up if you can. So I did pretty well. I'm not the biggest shopper. I take that back. I love to shop, but I'm not a big spender. I'm a shopper, but I'm not a big spender. I will always hunt for the best deal possible, especially when you have a family our size. I can be a millionaire and I'm still probably gonna drive a used car and have a modest home and be a frugal shopper. It's just in my DNA. So those are some of the things I got. I'm really loving those sandals. I'm going to show you guys how I decorate with these IKEA items, and also I'm going to show you I'm also going to show you how I use the IKEA furniture in my boys' rooms. So stick around to see that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy these hauls. If you want to see more hauls like this, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. I'm going to be doing motivational, organizing, or cleaning on Mondays, recipes on Wednesdays, and some sort of DIY, crafts, or decor on Fridays. I will try to supplement in between. But let me know what you guys like to see. If one thing's not your thing, that's okay. I'll have something another day. If you have a request, I will be happy to do a video just for you. Just let me know down below. I love connecting with you guys. I have my Instagram along the bottom, so please go and check me out. I'm very active on there, and I love to talk to you guys. So this has been a nice little outlet for me as a stay-at-home mom. So yeah. As always, love you guys, and thank you so much for watching my video. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway very shortly. I'm just trying to decide, do I want to do a wreath that I make or a farmhouse sign? Let me know down below what you're thinking. So I also have an Etsy shop. You can kind of see what I make, and I have a Facebook page. And most importantly, my Instagram page shows the majority of my items that I make, but I also specialize in personalized items. So if there's something you need, like a farmhouse sign, a special quote, or something, a verse that you like, or your family verse, or whatever you want, let me know, and I can make something personalized for you. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Bye.